Okay, let's look at product options. Now, in another video, we talked about adding a product. We talked briefly about product options and variants. Now, if you go into products, there's a section down here called product options. Now, the product options allows you to define in here the shared variant options. These are options that are used on multiple products. So if you are putting something that is specific to a product, that only that product has that option, don't do it here, do it on the product itself. But if you're doing a lot of products, you're adding them constantly, you've got similar sizes, you've got always the same, you can go in and create shared variant options. So you can go in here and put that, okay, my option is going to be called shirt size, and we're going to tell it that we always want it to be a drop down. Okay, and then you can actually add a variant option name in here, shirt size, and then we'll go in and put in the values. So we're going to set small, medium, large, and you can even pick what you're going to do for a default. You can, if you need to, if you put these in wrong, you can reorder them. And we're going to say save. Now what this has done is it allows me to assign this, when I create a product, this variant option to a product or multiple products. The benefit being, A, I don't have to put those back in again when working on those products. The other benefit is I can come back here and edit this later. So let's say this shirt size, now all of a sudden we have extra large as a choice that we did not have before. I can go in and modify the variant options, and it will automatically update all of those items. So a very powerful feature, very useful. So just plan your items out and see if this works to fit to help your data entry.